Alright guys, a quick and easy tutorial on how you can write text with a background in Sony Vegas or Vegas Pro. So first off, I'm gonna import my media, just a video which I'll write some text over. As you can see, okay, I just added it. Now, if we were to add a simple text box, I'm just gonna create a new layer and add a simple text box. We got titles and text, and then sample text, but the text will have a transparent background, and if you're watching this video, chances are that's not what you need. So how can you get a background for this text? I'm just gonna show you right now. So click on this advanced tab, write whatever text you want before that, for example, and this background, as you can see, it's a check mark pattern, so, or a chess pattern. So just select the color which you want your background color to be. Gonna go with orangey red, something like that. Okay, and then drag it all the way to the top so it fills in the entire screen, so it's not semi-transparent. Now after you've done that, as you can see, it filled up the entire screen. So now you can't view the video because chances are you don't want this whole thing to fill up the entire screen. You just want it, some part of it to show up, so it's easier to read. So now what we're gonna do is scroll in with the mouse wheel, enlarge it, and click on the event pen/crop. Here we have to create a mask, so just click or check mark this mask layer right here. Make sure you're on the very first frame, click on it, left click on it. It kind of lights up or adds white around it, the inside. That's how you know you've selected it. And what we're gonna do here is just rectangle, or you could make it a square also, like that. But I think for most cases, sorry, I'll clear it. For most cases you want a rectangular background, like that. Just drag the area you want to fill up. And now if we want to move the text itself or the position, we gotta make sure we click on the position frame, the top one right here. And now if we were to move it, we can make it bigger, smaller, drag it around, whatever we want. And that is how you create text, a text file with a background in Sony Vegas. Hope this helped you out. Make sure you like and sub. I'll see you guys next time. Take care. Bye bye.